Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on grammar suggestions and correction on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On your home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on general management. Then go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, go down and tap on Suggest Text Corrections. Now at the top here, right next to the language keyboard, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Once you turn this on, then grammar errors and phrases that can be improved are marked with green underlines and alternatives are suggested. So once we have turned it on, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. So if I open up my notes app, you can see in here when there is an error, it will show an underline, a green underline color. And if you tap on it in the suggestions panel down here, you can tap on the suggestions to replace the error. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on grammar's suggestions and corrections on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.